case of fourth flotation of lithium ion batteries, and then I have to click on this search one. So when I click on this search one, it gives me 307 results. So if I need to further filter it, because this fourth rotation of lithium ion batteries can be present either in the article title, in the abstract, or anywhere in the article, it will give me the result. But if I need to filter it in a really particular way, then I can go into the advanced search tab, and here you can go with the show all fields, and in the show all fields you find this very column which says title, abstract, or author specified keyword. So most of the people and the researchers, they specify their search on these different kind of terminologies, which are the title, abstract, or the author specified keywords, because these the three categories define the direction and the domain of the research articles. So I will write the name of my search, fourth rotation of lithium ion batteries, and then I will go back to the search tab, and if I click on the search tab, now it gives me only 15 results. So from 307 articles, the by searching in this particular way, it reduces the search of that particular field into a very limited articles, which are really important and which are really targeting the main motto of our search, because it says that these particular terms, fourth rotation and lithium ion batteries, they are present either in the title, abstracts, and the keywords. So the title, abstract, and keywords contain these are the particular terminologies. So now let us see what different options are available in Science Direct. For example, if you start on the very left, the first one it says is set search alert. So if you click on this search alert, it will give you a notification on your particular email which you have used to create your account if any of the new article published in this particular field, which contains all of these terminologies either in the title, abstract, or the keyword. So if you really want to see the future articles or the future the different kind of research articles that are published in the future, then you can really click on this one. Similarly, you can go with the subscribe journal. So if you have already subscribed to a journal, then you can click on this one. So then it will give you the information about that particular journals. If you go to the year one, it will show you what are the different articles that are present on the Science Direct are published in a particular year. For example, in 2023, there are two articles till now have been published. In 2022, there are six articles that are published in this particular field, or the field belongs to these different kind of these different keywords, and that are present in these three particular categories, which are either title, abstract, or the keyword. Similarly, you can see the publication title. If you really want to filter your research on the basis of the publication title, for example, separation and purification technology and minerals engineering. So these also gives you an idea about the journals, because different journals have different impact factors. If you know the impact factor for a certain journal that is really high, then you can really specify your search based on this. So how you can do, and similarly, you can go with this subject area, that in which particular subject area these articles are published, and then it also gives you information about whether the articles open access or they are open archive. So there are four articles that are open access, which is written in these parentheses. So for example, if I really want to see what are the articles that are published in separation and purification technology, so I will just click on this, and now it will give me the answer that is only three articles that were present that are published in separation and purification technology are there. So these are the different ways in which you can really extract the information, filter the information as per your requirement.